In this video, we listed the 5 best electric drill on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. DEKO Cordless Drill. The DEKO Cordless Drill is a cordless drill, specifically the DEKO brand model DKCD08XL02BP, originating from mainland China. It is designed for home DIY use and is powered by a DC power source. The drill features a brushed motor and has received CE certification, indicating compliance with European safety standards. There are no high concern chemicals associated with this product, ensuring it is safe for regular use in household projects. Number 2. DEWALT DCD805 Drill. The DEWALT DCD805 drill is a cordless drill manufactured by DEWALT, originating from mainland China. It is designed for commercial manufacture and has customizable options. The drill features a brushless motor powered by a 20V battery, which contributes to its efficient performance. It offers a rated torque of 90 Nm and a no-load speed of 2700 RPM, making it suitable for drilling into materials such as wood, metal, and concrete. The drill has a maximum drilling diameter of 13 mm and is equipped with an 850W rated input power. It weighs 1.34 kg and operates within a frequency range of 20V, 50, 60 Hz. The model number for this drill is DC805, and it does not involve any high concern chemicals in its specifications. Number 3. LYUWO Rechargeable Drill. The LYUWO Rechargeable Drill is a cordless drill, specifically the LYUWO model LW9020, which originates from mainland China and is branded under the name LYUWO. This drill is designed for commercial manufacturing use and is powered by a 21V battery, making it a portable and convenient tool for various drilling tasks. It features a brushed motor and is capable of achieving a maximum drilling diameter of 10 mm. The model is customizable and has received CE certification, ensuring it meets European safety, health, and environmental protection standards. The drill is lightweight, with a weight of 0.825 kg, facilitating ease of use and maneuverability. Number 4. DEKO 20V Electric Drill. The DEKO 20V electric drill is a DEKO cordless electric drill, model DKCD20XL02G, originating from mainland China and certified with CE. It operates on a 20V DC power source with a rated torque of 40 Nm and a no-load speed of 1350 RPM, suitable for home DIY projects. The drill is designed for versatility, capable of drilling into materials such as wood, metal, ceramic, and plastic, and it features 2 adjustable speeds, 0 to 350, 0 to 1350 RPM, with 18+1 torque settings. It comes with a 1.5 lithium-ion battery and charger, making it portable with a weight of just 2.5 pounds. The drill kit includes various accessories, a magnetic drill holder, 10 screwdriver heads, a pointed brad drill, and 4 nut drives, all accompanied by a user manual. The set also includes digits labeled SL3 to SL7 and PHO to PH2, indicating different sizes and types of bits. Overall, this cordless drill is designed for ease of use and convenience in various home drilling applications. Number 5. DEWALT DCD805 Drill. The DEWALT DCD805 drill is a DEWALT cordless drill, originating from mainland China. It is designed for home DIY use and operates with a brushless motor, ensuring efficiency and longevity. The drill is powered by a 20V battery, making it portable and convenient for various tasks without the need for a direct power source. It is certified with a CE mark, indicating compliance with health, safety, and environmental protection standards for products sold within the European Economic Area. Notably, it does not contain any high concern chemicals, emphasizing safety in its use.